August 16 Markets Report, inflation does the limbo. U.S. economics. Interest rates, 2.5%. Unemployment rate, 3.5%. GDP IOY, 0.9%. CPI YOY, 8.5%. The latest Consumer Price Index CPI. Readings brought some much-needed relief last Friday. Prices rose by 8.5% in July, down 0.6% from June's 9.1% CPI, and lower than the 8.7% economists were expecting. Preliminary readings for the August Consumer Sentiment Index also show that one-year inflation expectations are starting to fall. Across the pond, new economic data shows that the UK's economy shrunk for the second quarter of 2022 by 0.1%, lower than the 0.3% that was expected. Bond yields. US 10Y, 2.775%, US 30Y, 3.073%, stock market performance, Dow, 2.83%, S&P, 3.38%, NASDAQ, 3.19%. Economic data out of China shows that manufacturing and retail sales and investment are all slowing down. The Chinese real estate sector is particularly hurting due to many homebuyers defaulting on their mortgage payments. Aside from that, this week investors will see a slew of retail earnings from the likes of Walmart, Target, and Home Depot. Investor sentiment could switch on a dime depending on how much inflation and supply chain issues have cut into each company's margins. Sector performance. Energy, 6.61%. Financial, 5.64%. Consumer staples, 1.26%. Healthcare, 1.41%. The $2.369 trillion oil giant that is Saudi Aramco recently reported a 90% growth in its second quarter net income, which was a whopping $48.4 billion as compared to $25.5 billion at the same time last year. Crypto exchange Coinbase posted a colossal $1.1 billion loss in Q2, as trading volume fell by 30% during this crypto downturn. Last week, Tesla CEO Elon Musk sold 7.92 million shares of Tesla, worth about $6.8 billion. According to real estate brokerage Redfin, a record 33.7% of its users nationwide looked to relocate to more affordable metros in July. The National Association of Realtors also reported that housing affordability in June hit its lowest point since 1989. Newsletter provider MailChimp has recently deactivated multiple accounts belonging to crypto publishers, including Decrypt and Messari. According to the latest figures from the United Nations FAO Food Price Index, food prices dropped 8.6% in July, particularly due to falling prices of wheat and vegetable oil. Prices at the pump have fallen below $4 for the first time since March, after peaking above $5 in June. The Livex Fine Wine 100 saw its first decline in 2 years, 0.3%, with the index rising by 36.1% from June 2020 to June 2022. Follow us on social media, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. August 16 Markets Report, inflation does the limbo. U.S. economics. Interest rates, 2.5%. Unemployment rate.